This is the guide on how to install your Valvetronic Designs vacuum control box on your Valvetronic Designs exhaust system. Included in your vacuum control kit is a vacuum control box, your antenna, a T-splitter for dual muffler applications, the Valvetronic Designs vacuum control remote, your power cable, your vacuum line, and some extra Valvetronic Designs goodies. Step 1 is to install your antenna on your vacuum control box. And all you do is screw it on like this. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to get the power cable and plug the power cable into the vacuum control box. It slides right in, and you twist this on until it's tight. Next, you're going to find the 12-volt cigarette lighter port in your car. In this Civic Type R, it's down here in the center console. And all you got to do is plug it in. Many cars have the 12-volt cigarette lighter port in different parts of the car. Many times it's in the trunk back here. Sometimes it's only in the front or in the center console. So you just have to find that in your car before you plug it in. Next, you're going to figure out where you want to put the vacuum control box. In this Civic, there's a beautiful space right back here. We're going to 3M tape the vacuum control box underneath this tray in the trunk. If your car does not have a 12-volt cigarette lighter, or you cannot find yours, you can simply cut the wire here and you'll have a positive and a negative. You can hardwire this into a power source on your car. We don't recommend putting this to your battery directly because the vacuum control box will drain your battery. It's best to find a power source that turns on and off with the ignition of your car. Next step is to install your vacuum line. First, you're going to remove the protective cover on the outlet from the vacuum pump, like that. Next, you're going to grab your vacuum tube and put it over the outlet from the vacuum pump. Make sure it's all the way on, as tight as possible. The next step of this process is to find an exit from the inside of your trunk to the outside of your vehicle. This could be a drain plug, a drain hole, a grommet of some sort, or a route where the wires from the inside of your car go to your outside, like a brake light or a trunk latch. In this Civic right here, there's wires that go through a grommet that lead to the back trunk latch. We're going to route this vacuum line through this grommet to the bottom of the vehicle. Once you get your vacuum line routed to the bottom of your car, you're going to figure out what length you need to reach the vacuum valve on your muffler, and you can cut it to whatever length is required. After that is done, all you're going to have to do is the same process as the vacuum control box. You're going to slip it right over the vacuum valve here. Make sure it's all the way in. Included in the vacuum control box is a Y-splitter. This is used for dual muffler applications only. For dual muffler applications, you will need to route a vacuum line from the vacuum control box to the top port here. You'll then need to cut vacuum lines to come from each port at the bottom. These ports will have a vacuum line that goes directly to each muffler, one on each side of your vehicle. Next, you're going to use your Valvetronic remote to test and make sure that your vacuum control box is working. Once everything is all secured, wired up, and plugged in, you're all set. And you can enjoy your Valvetronic Designs exhaust system.